So today we talk about how to build blockchain easily. That's using Ignite. Uh, Again, my name is Danilo. I'm one of the board members of the Ignite. So Ignite is a tool to help developer life cycle. So to make everything easily, develop your chain. Well, with knowledge of blockchain, we have many developers using it. Uh, some developers for your first chains, developers to using to add models, to add types in your chain. But then more than new products. So who knows what the CLI is people, great to talk to everyone. So CLI is a tool for scaffold chain. It's ours scaffold. We have some tools for you can easily searching also. We have auto reload servers that new feature, you load and maybe they just a some validator, you honestly, and we offer tools where you can also use that or you can create some apps. Honestly, it's like everyone change doesn't know, but all this creates different for is easy to use. What you do knows it's not going to be a model, but we still need to know what model works. Ignite helps the developer to start you the code for the base or your chain meaning the same things in your chain. Uh, Here's an example how Ignite works. If you have Ignite on your machine, it's the command line to it, and you type Ignite scaffold chain with the name of your chain, you extract your chain easily. I'll show you later how it works. Uh, but after you scaffold your chain, models for your chain. So any new components you need to add models. So you can add a new model. Ignite comes with the default model. It's the same name of your chain. You have a chain block, you have a block, but you can also create your chain without models if you want all the treatments like your chain. My advice is keep using Ignite because you have a bunch of uh, each model, you need to have the state of the model. You have some things to save, and Ignite help you to uh, scaffold types. This is one of the types list. So Ignite scaffold list. We have a bunch of different types. You have list, you have max, you have so a list means that you save a list of data to the state function. So when you type this command, Ignite will scaffold for you like that. Have a read, read the message. So you can easily write these types because when you scaffold a type, not scaffolding a type, scaffolding messages, queries, and everything. So if these two commands, we already have a chain. So we can already can run your chain, right? We can like blockchain with posts. So here is the type defined by Ignite, and we have some fields we want to add. So these fields by default is string, but if you want to add like integer, boolean, and everything, specify it shortly how it works. Um, Besides the type you want to add, you can also scaffold like a single message or a single query through the scaffold layer. But let's suppose we have your log chain and already have the post type and we want to write comments. You can create a message to write comments easily This will create a message with some placeholders, and we need to put the logic of the placeholders. This is quite easy because everything's already there. You won't need to do your logic inside the common message. And that's it. The chain it's running, and you want to test your chain after stuff all. So we have also a tool for you can spin up a single validator in our chain. We have some chain tools. Type ignite chain help. You can see what tools you have inside that chain. You can have you build your chain, build your files only. Also use the ignite chain server command for spin up a single validator. You spin up the validator based on your config file, so that Ignite has a config file. And also, it's not so easy for the validator files for the constantly or what the function or something until it makes a change. If it's home, it's so easy to go into the song, make the change, to go to the in the forks. But Ignite offers a config file for easily. You change the signal easily and easily integrate and also change the strand for you and also and then you can open this more. I'll show a little demo how it works and then merge it. Everyone can see the screen, right? I'm in the Ignite folder, and what I will do here is I ignite scaffold. And here it's all in scaffold with the ignite. We will start with the chain and after a model. So let's scaffold the blog chain. Scaffold chain. Maybe you think sometimes because the internet's not so good, but testing sometimes because we are building the protofiles, do everything, but it's quite easy and quite faster if you are in a good environment. So let's open. Great. Here's our chain. Everything's already there. We have your app.go. I don't know, see, or it's small. Great. So we already have our app.go, the default models we needed, like Slash, the Meet, the distribute model, the best model, the ICA model. Everything's already there. One cool thing was working this year is updating the SDK, last version of the SDK. Now we are using the latest version, 47.3, and we are scaffolding with the new app feature. So if you check our new app.go, we are using the virtual app.go. Everything is injected automatically. Besides the IBC is not supporting that we are now, but we are still using the old way. And here is my default model. Everything's already there. We have the client, we have the keepers, we have the simulation, we have the types, and now the model comes with the new database injection. So everything is injected automatically. And if you add a new model, it's easy because we only need to add this model. It's already there. It's good. And now we are using the new build system from the buff build. It's the one adopted. And so we are using the Proto-C generation before, but now we are using buff build. Everything is in a new version V1, the master, the new version V1. We also scaffolding the new model V for your chain. So this is just for the definitely injecting is the star fibers. It's already everything um, it's already scaffolded. Cool. Let me now scaffold a new type. I will scaffold the list, and this list has the same as I always solve it. A list of posts with title and body. But let's suppose if you want to add a new field, I don't know, maybe ID, and this field should be like an integer. And we can also define a model. We can add this type or. But without the flag, we scaffold in the default model. Sorry, I need to enter the folder. So we are easily adding types on chain. And now we already have a chain. We can also interact with this chain. If you check here, we have the proto files, our new types here. We have the messages and the root, like you can create a post, you can data post, you can delete a post. We have some also simulations automatically. And also the Genesis simulation. So everything is you build our blockchain in like 10 minutes. So I can already run this blockchain. Let's use the ignite champ server command. And what the ignite do now is we are resetting the app state, building proto files, the protocols are files, and we are also build the canary. And if you see here, you have a UI for sure for us. These accounts added here, it's coming from the config file. This is the config file. I can also add more address. Let's suppose you want to add like Danilo. Okay, run again. And now we have like 3 accounts. Danilo, Alice, or. And also we have the API is running, so we have our the Swagger files, the vendor might load, and token posted. So we can as the person it's easy. It's quite easy for you to have a chain. Commands we have our chain. So let's suppose we want to add a new model. Scaffold model, and let's suppose my model needs some databases. We need to have like search and here I will scaffold a new model called food, but I need the database in this model because database bang the slash. I can easily sorry, I need to go there again. In access, if we want to do this, there's needed. You want it? Great. We have our new model, and this new model comes with the new. We comes with the database. the new model, there's the dependency from the bank, from the slash shooter. So we don't need to define layer or using conversations for that. Great. So Ignite offers a lot of commands for so, but let's suppose we have Ignite running, but we want to debug our chain. We want to check if something wrong with our chain. It will use Ignite. Sometimes we need to run Ignite and debug another tool. But now we have a debugger inside Ignite. So let's suppose my chain, let's see, the chain is not running, that's not running. I will type Ignite debug. Debug. Chain debug. And this is Lush, the devil debug. And the devil debug, we have the devil debug inside Ignite, and we can debug our chain. So let's suppose we want to add a breakpoint. Let's go here, and add some breakpoints. So let's add a breakpoint here. So that we get and we get the path of the file and the breakpoint and the line. At the breakpoint, I run my chain, so breakpoint. So we can debug the chain and see the variables we have inside the chain, start, run line by line, your chain. The chain is running and stop being time for debugging the chain. So you can use the Ignite for all steps of your development. For scaffold your chain, for the runner chain, for the debugger chain. Quite nice. So we can also set the debugger as a server. So if you like to debug your ED, you can use the Visual Studio to read the debugger and spin up the server debugger and reconnect your Visual Studio to debug and debug from there, and now using IntelliJ or other tools. Great. So, but it's not only about the chain. So if you have a chain no one is using, you need to have like lines like that. We need to create a dApp. We need to create a front end for the user interacting with the chain. So we have ways to do that. First one is the low-time library called point. It's a package, so they offer some tools for you can go test transactions, for complete transactions, wait blocks, check the status of the transactions. And we also offer TypeScript code generation. So for you go beyond, you need to complete the code. You need to have the data. So with the TypeScript type generation, you can use your Plot files into TypeScript, and you can easily access our data chain in the front end. Here it's how works the Cosmos client. Let me show an example of it. I have a piece of code here. I'm going to make two chains, but easily. So I will create some test package here, and I create a test file. It's more easy to run. I create a test function, and then let me sync the dependencies. We define the context also. I don't know if it takes some time to download, but until it's not work well. Great. There. So what I'm doing here, everyone can see. Let me. It's better. Great. What I'm doing here is let's say it's the new Osmo client. We are get the account from the store. This account from the store. I will show how we access the account and how we create a new one, but we get from the chain store, getting the Alice, and we are creating the message protocol from get the transaction. So easy. We can create a new post. So let's run the chain. And after run the chain, I will interact a little bit to create some data inside the chain. So, we have the message create post. This is one of the group for. So I'm using the Alice. Oh, I have other meter probably and uh, I'm interact fetching through the CLI to see the post or query log D is the post. So this is the post we created. We will through the CLI, but you can also create through the section. So I will run this test, and this will create the new post. File. Great. So we can check here. We have two messages. So we can add, we can delete, we can update. Chain's running, and we direct the chain through the code. Great, but as I said before, if you want to go beyond, we need to do the phone, but for to read the phone, and we my read times and everything, but tonight can is very easy. So to build the front end, we have generate commands. The generate commands is a command for you can generate a bunch of different things. So generate. You see, you can generate the protocol files, you can generate the pulsar files, you can generate the TS client. The VUX is deprecated, but still there, you remove soon. And also composables, hooks, and open API specs. So what I'm going to do here is generate TS client. Check. Yes, line. Maybe this time. That's also good. So what we have here our data, so our types, our block types, our process types, and then also we have our models first. So we have types for uh, distribution model, precedent model, and we only need to build a front end using types. Great, so but sometimes we are thinking the developer trying to listen the most painful things for the developers for you to do. But sometimes this is not enough. We need to have we need to have some tools more specific for the chain. Maybe your chain needs to run some tests after the in of the chain. Maybe you need to run some script after running the chain. And you can easily create plugins for your chain. You can extend a command, you can add a new command to the CLI, and you can have some tools too. That supports you create a plugin for nine chain test, run a specific test, or you can create a plugin for uh, every time you run the chain server, run some scripts, and run some tests on the server. So it works a little bit like yeah. So you can add like a WebGL directly, but you can also add a plugin. And, we're adding the plugin locally by installing only the for storage. But you can also install this global. Install it. If you're installing locally, math, you your chain you always update it every time, every change you do. This is good for the development. And I will show how create this create like we create a chain, we create a plugins, videos. You only need to define the logic. And for you develop a plugin, we also have a common for you can create a plugin, you can use the plugin snafu command. And this is snafu the plugin for you. And have a few interface for the plugin you have the manifest for you to define your configuration, the data of the plugin. The commands wants to override, and we have some execution. There's an execute command and some private command. What I'm going to do now is have the add, the list, and deleted. Define it here. So let's call the add command. So there's a neutral method was called here. So we filter and do whatever you want that handle the logic here. So let's suppose I don't want to add a new plugin. I want to extend a command. I want to extend the server, the chain server command. So what I can do here is create a hook. Let's call server 70 and let's extend the chain server command. And after I do this, I made some changes to my plugin and have the multiple link to check if the ignite has changed the link. So it's building my plugin again. I made some changes to the plugin, so now I have the comments of the plugin. So what I'm going to do now is type ignite change server command, and you see the hook was called. It's not running the chain because we're already running one here, the same parts, but let's see this one. So we run the chain server command, and we have the hooks. So the pre hook, the post hook, the cleanup hook. So we can run the tab, some price scripts, run the chain, and run some post scripts for the chain, and do the tests for the chain. Change here. Let's see. So that change, each change we do, the plugin will build again. So this is cool. So if we go to the blog chain, now we have a new file. Plugins. We did install the plugins with uh, dash G command. So this plugin only installed here in this chain. So we can have a plugin one version for chain, other version for other chain, and have different plugins maybe for security reason. We don't want to add this plugin globally. We want to add only for our chain. But let's remove this plugin. My plugin remove, and I remove this plugin. Then what I also I can also add globally. I need global. Right, the plugin was running globally, so I can access the commands outside my chain. So this is nice because we can have now custom functions. We can start following your chain and prepare the custom view for the chain. Uh, our plans for the future of the Ignite, we have exciting things coming. First thing, we have new tools for your chain building. Uh, we are adding the report models for your chain. So let's suppose other company create a model and we want to add this. In the future, we will have like a Ignite model web. And you apply the GitHub like there. This we will add the model function on my paper. With that next step of this images, we we add a function for adding customer and validators. That part picture, it's already there. It's already there. Is the add.go actually for the the future we think to add the function. Yeah, you add the access for you can easily speed up searching guys. And also we are thinking to add you also link like Wall Explorer and for our chain production we have planned to add more commands for the police option manage your Genesis JSON easily. Also some AwesomWasm tools and Danilo tools where you can use like the models for stuff and also keep support to that table. If that got go into you can configure that in your app.go, but with that YAML, with one YAML file, everything like so that's it. We are excited to have new contributions. For everyone wants to create a plugin, contribute to the code. Someone wants to get an issue. We have some issues. Once we start with the label, GitHub. But we also have some bounties for someone wants to create some new plugins, and we are giving a bounty for anyone to create an AwesomWasm plugin. So let's suppose we have an idea to create a plugin for scaffolder chain or a plugin for for the publisher changing your smart contract. So the bounce here is we need to be issued. You have two winners. The first winner will win 5,000 atoms, USD atoms, and the second 2,000 USD atoms. And this should be quickly. This will be quickly, and we will finish this multi 100 months. So please contribute. So that's it. Thank you everyone. Try to join the community. We are hiring also. Check the careers page. We are in Discord, and we are pretty active in the repository stuff. So you can create an issue. If you found some bugs or everything, you can create an issue and just review the cell. That's it.